So I've added some minor changes. Here will be a XT60 connector, and here XT30 connector. It's for not for powering XT30 connector, but for for synchronization to parts of this camera, top and bottom. But XT60 will be for powering our camera. Here bottom parts and the same but symmetric from the top part. Here will be powering our camera. Also will be two buttons, menu and record buttons. When we press record button, it will be synchronized with these cameras also, using this XT30 port, not for powering but for button. I already prepared the files for 3D printing and write how many parts we need for it. Send it please to your friend, and we need to print it. Thanks for watching. Bye.